In this video, we will look at different types of series in statistics. Before knowing about the series in the statistics, we should know about the few important terms. First important term is variable. Quantity which can vary from one individual to another is called a variable. The data related to each term is called variable. For example, marks of the students, wages of the workers, sales, productions, heights, weights, etc. The next important term is frequency distribution. Number of repetition of items of various class intervals in the universe is known as frequencies. That is, the table that divides data into different groups. That is called frequency distribution. It shows how many data values occur in each group. In this example, you see the number of family indicates the frequency level of each group. In the first group, there are 4 child. 1 indicates only one family is having 4 child. So like that all the frequencies indicated. Another example, marks of the students and number of students. The number of students indicates the frequency level of each group. The 6 students maybe got 0 to 20 marks. In statistics, the frequency of an event is the number of times the event occurred in an experiment. The next one is class or group. Each stated interval is called a class, like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. There are 2 limits of every class. One is the upper limit and the other one is the lower limit. It is represented by L1 and L2 symbols. For example, the marks scored by the students were grouped into 0 to 10, 10 to 20. The 0 is the lower limit, 10 is the upper limit. The next term is class interval. The differences between the upper limit and the lower limit is known as class interval, that is L2 minus L1. Now let us come to the main topic, the statistical series. The data is presented in some specific order and sequence. It is called statistical series. It is a systematic arrangement of terms into an order or sequence in various classified categories. That is, the data is presented in some specific order is called as a statistical series. Arrangement of data in a particular order is called series. There are 3 types of series. The first one is individual series, second one is discrete series, and third one is continuous series. It has 2 types, inclusive and exclusive series. First one is individual series. Individual series means where frequencies are not given. That is the arrangement of raw data individually. If you list out all the observations of your study, that is called individual series. Here I show number of corona patients in various cities in a particular district. It is a raw data, so that is called individual series. There is no frequency is showed, only raw data is showed, so it is called individual series. Discrete series means where the frequencies of a variable are given but the variable is without class intervals. In this series, all the items are divided in certain groups, but these groups are not continuous. These series are known as discrete series. Here the number of students are given. 4 students got 30 marks, 8 students got 45 marks, like that. Here 30 occurred in 4 times, 45 occurred in 8 times. It means 30 marks scored by 4 students, 45 marks scored by 8 students, like that. The third one is continuous series. It means where frequencies are given along with the value of the variable in the form of class intervals. Here the frequencies are showed along with the class intervals, that is called continuous series. The continuous series is divided into two. The one is inclusive series. The second one is exclusive series. Where the value of upper limit is included in the same group, it is known as inclusive series. In the given example, the class interval 19 is included in the same group, 29 is included in the same group, 39 is included in the same group, 49 is included in the same group. This type of series is known as inclusive series. Both upper and lower limits are included in the same class intervals. Where the value of upper limit is not included in the same group but will be included in the next group, it is known as exclusive series. In the example, the class interval 10 to 20, here the 20 is not included in the same group but it is included in the next group. The lower limit 20 is included in the same group. The upper limit 30 is included in the next group. So it is called exclusive series. Thank you. In the next video we will see about averages.